Alright, out there in YouTube land. I finally broke down and bought one. iRobot 650. Got it at Lowe's. 168. Google and Alexa. Wi-Fi. This thing has been cleaning my house for an hour. Hasn't got stuck once. I sent it home. It's trying to look for its home right now. I'm telling you, this thing does a really great job. Can't beat it. It went to a ledge, like a step down, and it stopped and backed up because it didn't want to go down the step. Far out. Look, it just went over a ledge. Come on, don't get stuck on me. Look at that, went over a ledge. It's fantastic. It went to my Christmas tree and stopped. I was in my kitchen. All right, you gotta get one. Bye.